and this is exclusive for subscription box member in this month. You know what, if you want to use one coat, you can absolutely do one coat of this Aurora gels. You can either do it itself, you don't have to get necessarily have the backgrounds of anything on. You can do it right by itself. Like this one is I did it on just the natural nail. You can see a little bit hints of different. This one have a little bit of a greenish background, but this one is like really a natural. So just for your preference. I'm gonna kill this for 60 seconds. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. And then also
so Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch, we're gonna restart the stream for you guys because somehow it seemed the quality really bad. All right, we'll be right back.
All right, so then we'll wait for that one, and then after that we are going to apply the matte finish. And we're gonna cover completely the nails because we are going to do a fusionings on this. So remember yesterday I said if we're doing it's like a matte top coat on and do fusionings, guess what, not only is Aurora was showing, it looks really a cool shimmery, is like kind of metallic looks. So we're gonna apply the matte top coat on the nails, the number 9 metal grays, and the Aurora finish. We're gonna do it's like 60 second here after applying the matte. So this matte is sway matte. So then it does, what it does is really, it's great for the gel painting if you're doing a lot of like cool gel painting, and also is great, perfect compatible for is the fusioning. So with the fusioning, I'm gonna going ahead and take one of the paper towel, and then we are going to use, of course, the one color of fusioning and is number 12 crystal clear. So if you have to get one colors for your fusioning, I would definitely highly recommend and suggest you should take the matte top coat and the crystal clear. These two will definitely set your fusioning and the marble looks off. So it does make it so much easier for your design. So let's take a look at this one. You see that how shiny it's become, like have a matte look, but it still have the reflections when you're doing your fusioning on it. So let's get started with that nails, and we're going to using a passionate, which is like have a really nice bright like pink, like magenta pink colors. So give it a little shake. Thank you, Mika, for the website. Hello everyone. Hello Mary, thanks so much for tuning in. Hello everyone, if I miss anyone. Hello Mama Vic, thanks so much everyone for tuning in. If I can't catch your comment fast enough, just knowing that I would like to say hello. And then we're gonna just dab it in, and you can load it so many if you want to. You can load just one layer, 2 layer, however you want. It's up to you. You don't have to be limited of what you want. You can, if you want your fusioning to be like really light, do it really light and just 1 or 2 coat. If you want your fusioning to be darker, absolutely you can like dab more than just 1 layer and let it set. It looks like really wet at first. You can see it's shiny and then start getting like a matte looks. We are going to use crystal clear. You do not need additionals of the brush. You don't need to have to use any of the different any other solutions. Only you need is crystal clear. This will definitely a blending and create this really cool effects for your marble look. So you're gonna dab it, pick up your crystal clear just a little bit. You don't want to using a lot. You don't want to absolutely saturate your fusioning. You just need a little bit and dab, and it depends on how much you want your marble veins look. If you want it's really thin and skinny, you can definitely just using it and dab from outside toward to the middle to wherever you want your marble veins to look. So here I'm gonna do just dab it from my outside and then guide it in, and then continue the same thing with different area, just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot of your crystal clears, and then always wipe off the excess pigment, so then that way we're not carrying it back into your crystal clear. Okay, same thing. All right, keep continue doing the same thing. And there's thousands of different ways to doing it really cool with the marble looks. I'm gonna dab it. Okay. Happy with this? We are going to leave it there. And announce if you are happy with this, you can add like some of your you can add some of gold veinings on your fusionings, or you can just go ahead and get some of your I haven't touched any of this. I really want into that one, but then we can put some crystal placement on it. I can add some crystal placement on this one. But before that, I'm going to add just a little bit of the gel painting. Just the gold gel paintings on to give it just a little bit of hint of the veinings look. And also, if your clients don't want any others design, which is no crystal placement or anything, you absolutely can rock it without anything. So I am using, this is the gel painting golden touch in the pot, and using my twin tip brush right here in one end to apply gel polish, and also is condensed glue gels for crystal placement. The other end is precision like, and so you can do like really smaller line. So I'm going to use those, this one, to just add some of my like veinings, gold veining. All right, you know what, if you don't want anything else, it definitely would be, you can cure and top coat it, cure for 60 seconds, and you're good to go. All right, I'm going to cure it for just a second, like 30-second flash cure. Oh, thank you, Mika, on Twitch. She's so good. I don't know how to use it. Twitch, she's already there. All right. So let's moving on, doing some crystal placement on this beauty. I already have this one. This is condensed glue gels. This is the first step from our 3-step method. So I'm going to using condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat first, and then the precision glue gel we're gonna use it later. So then that way you're gonna definitely is double secure all your crystal in one place. So I'm gonna add just a smaller amount. It really depends on how much like crystal placement you want to add it on. I always add it on whole nails just for my preference, because sometimes the clients want to add more than I was like expecting. Like, Nancy, can I upgrade my design? Absolutely, of course, yes. So, but thin coat, you don't want to be too thin. However, you don't want to be too thick. Too thick is going to flutter your crystal. Too thin is not going to adhere your crystal properly. So I'm going to floating the no wipe top coat on the top of the unclear condensed glue gels. Between this two layer will grab your base of your crystal in one place. Okay. How's my... Oh, you know what? This is so cute and simple. I want to use this one. How about that? I'm having my polish stoned from my kits right here. I mean, from a subscription box. It's really simple. And add it on. You know what? Actually, I really like it. Not bad at all. Now we're dreaming of like getting some design like that. You know what? It looks really good in my ends. I don't know is how your end look. My ends looks really good. It looks so sparkle in your end because I think too much lighting. All right, I'm gonna add this beauty here. I'm so obsessive with this one. So adorable. All right, so that's it because I don't want to cover all my fusioning. I don't know how is your look. This looks like too bright. Maybe when I re-watching my videos,